Alright everybody, it's me, Carl. And this is Tatty, my parrot. He's a bastard. Look at him. Trying to eat me through the fucking cage, ain't you, you bastard? What did you say? You're laughing at me? Go on, laugh at me.
Tatty?
Look at him, trying to eat me through cages, the bastard. Come on, Tatty, let's have it. And this is my little lovebird. Keeps escaping, he does, the bastard. You can shut up, you loud mouth brat. Yeah, look at him. And this is my little cockatiel. Look at him. He's another bastard. Say hello. And this is my two little budgerigars. Say hello, budgerigars.
To find out.